Yo, we don't know bigger photographers, that's bigger comedy back again with a brand new video. People, the one that now got normal. I don't know me sick out, so I could get to build a video phone because I went sick, but I vomit like a breathing woman, you see me? Vomit down the whole place. So. Yeah, I feel a little strength now, so I may cheer for something really quick and fast for you see me? So remember, please like, please share, please comment, and please subscribe. I don't know, but at least want 1 million subscribers quick and fast, cause we kind of do a lizard prank, you see me? So you don't know lizard prank, yeah? See that? Lizard prank something, yeah? Yeah. That kind of make people run up and down. So you don't know, I say a thing go mad, out here CMA, Madman Part 2, please check in on it, please watch it, subscribe and everything, and tell a friend them. Look out for the video.
I see the thing. Go laugh. Show.
A few moments later.
Watch your follow lizard there. Love lizard. Lizard upon your shoulder. See lizard there. What's up, lizard no? See lizard. Watch it. When come off. Oh, I'm there. Oh, you do lizard. You see that? Yeah man, dear man, prank never stop. Yeah man, that's a bigger deal people. Watch out. Come feel lizard now. Where you run go? Baby, come here. Watch out. Come feel lizard. Come on. I want to listen to the please. What you laugh for? Yeah, take a seat.
Yeah, go.
What fuck?
Yes, yeah.
So, yeah, mother and my same do want design something good. I'm not really too sure, isn't me? But, one is at the first one.
With the rough Christmas, I want that.
Oh, you must have something for.
Rough Christmas, I want that, man.
Sita, come on.
With the rough Christmas, that's something there.
My friend, you want to say for me? You want some please? People, so just done finish the lizard prank video, so I'm glad you wanna enjoy the laugh. You don't know, make sure to share with your friend them, subscribe, and many more videos to come, you see me? Don't quit, don't blink. Bigger still there. Come look.
Right.